Hello everyone, this is Adeshola Olaiton here again, and I will welcome everyone back to my YouTube channel. It's been a week here. It's been up to a week that I released a new video on my YouTube channel. So basically, welcome. As I said earlier, I said you should expect a lot of content on digital marketing, search engine optimization, affiliate marketing. And today I'm creating a video on an important aspect of search engine optimization. I believe you will get a lot of value in this video. I believe so much that you will get a lot of value in this video, because what are the tips I'll be sharing with you today? Is very important to the success of your website optimization and your ranking organically. So today we are going to be talking about sitemap, XML sitemap. So what is sitemap? Before I explain and I go deeper, and I'll show you how you can submit the sitemap of your website to Google, and how you can do it, the pros and cons and things you need to do. I would like to go on Google right now and type XML sitemap. We want to know the meaning of sitemap. So what is sitemap? So according to the sitemap protocol allows a web about URL on a website that are available for crawling. A sitemap is an XML file back there again. So basically, let me come down to layman. So this is saying that a website can be a website owner. So who is the search engine? Google is the generally acceptable search engine in the whole world. That is in China. We have Bing, which they use in the US, but we know Google is the most popular. So to inform the search engine about the URLs on the website. So basically, as a website owner, when you create an XML sitemap file and you upload it on search engine, you are on your website that you want Google to crawl and index on its database. You can see how important this is. When I explain to people, when I teach people, I say XML sitemap is like you being a fisherman and you cast a net. You want to catch fishes. You cast your net. You using your net to catch fish. You want the Google bot to catch fishes for you. That's the way the layman explanation I used to explain sitemap to people. You can see how valuable sitemap is to the success of the website. Definitely, this implies that you crawl and can be indexed. Definitely, you have no organic ranking. So let's go to developers.google.com. We said you can submit index to Google. Here is a basic way that includes all these things. So, which I've explained earlier. So, according to Yoast, we all know our search engine optimization tool. It says an SMS sitemap is a file that lists the website essential pages, making sure Google can find and crawl them up. You can see by Yoast here, which is a thought leader in the site in search engine. This is their explanation. So how can we submit your website sitemap to Google? So let's start. I'm going to be using a website to show you that. So the first way before Google updated the Google Search Console, you will need to update the root file map to the root file of the website, which is still valid. You still need to do. You still use that route to submit the sitemap of the website. So let me show you the first way you can submit sitemap to Google. Let me go to one of my search engine. Let me go to Google Search Console. So if you come to Google Search Console, once you come to sitemap, see the sitemap website. I added product. So if one thing I want you to understand is that, for instance, if you have a company page that is a corporate company page and you are doing search engine optimization for your business, the sitemap you are going to show as a blog page section on the website. The two most important sitemap you need to submit are the page sitemap. So this is it here, the page sitemap. So, and this page space sitemap .xml. Then you submit. When you crawl your website in seconds or in 1 minute and show you the result, it has success. So that is for your company. So if you are a corporate company and you are doing search engine optimization, you need to submit the page sitemap and the post sitemap, which is this one here, and this is the way you a sitemap.xml. Then you click on submit. It will crawl all the content you listed that is a post on your website. It will crawl it and put it on Google database. This is like you informing Google that these are the posts, the blog posts available on my website, and I want you to call it. So if you have e-commerce website, the sitemap you need to your an e-commerce website can be doing blog posts and the likes. You need to submit product sitemap, submit product sitemap.xml. So this thing is, you are, as an e-commerce business, if you do this, you are basically informing Google that product pages on your website, they should go and crawl all the product pages on your website and index it and store it in your database, in their database. So post, you submit the post sitemap, and this is the way it will be like. Let me show you post sitemap. This is the way submitting sitemap. This is the way it will look like. So you see, Google will periodically process it and look for change. So basically, this, if it is not successful, you will see failed here. And so, as I've explained, the kind of sitemap you are going to submit as a corporate organization. Maybe you submit post sitemap. Those are the two sitemaps that are important to you. If you are an e-commerce business, you are going to submit product sitemap, you are going to submit post sitemap, and you are going to submit page sitemap. So once you submit that sitemap, let's look at the sitemap of post. This is my website. Let me click on it. I'm going to show you. So let's go. They said sitemap processed successfully. Then you see when it has been submitted successfully, you will see the list of sitemap. You will see the list of URL in your sitemap that Google have been able to crawl. So you go to this place, see it now. You see it now. So these are my sitemap. You see, these are the 3 posts that Google have been able to crawl on my website. So let me go to one of them so that you know that it's a valid page. You know that this is a valid page, not a page that does not exist. So it's of GNLD, New Life, Aloe Vera Plus Orange. So I wrote a blog post on Google. So I want to let you know that if I did not submit the sitemap of this page, I want to let you know that very, very important. You need to inform the search engine what you want the search engine to do for you. You need to that are important on your page. This is it, and it is ranked the keyword I'm ranking for Aloe Vera, New Life Aloe Vera Plus. It is ranking on page 2 to make my on the page. I embedded a video. So let's move forward. I want to show you another way that you can submit sitemap to Google. So let me close this. So I've typed another way that you can submit it is to go to, just type XML sitemap. Just type XML sitemap and go to this URL, XML. This is the URL. Kindly take note of this URL. If you also want to create sitemap, I've showed you the first way you can create sitemap. I'm showing you another web generator. This is a sitemap generator website that was created. So what you need to do when you're on this website, what you need to do is to go to pop in the website you want Google to crawl. You want this website to crawl. So let me go to the website. Let me go to the website and copy the URL that I want Google to crawl. I want to use to show you example to create sitemap for it. So I'm going to copy. So I'm going to copy the URL. This is the website I'm showing you. So this is the website. You copy it. Then you come to this place, pop in the URL here, and click on start. It will start to crawl. See, please wait. We are crawling your website. It will post the product pages on your website. So you can see all the pages that it is currently crawling on my website. This is the way you will see it. You wait till it finish. You wait. See, look at all the pages, product for premature ejaculation, and all Vital Guard, New Life, Vitality is calling all the product pages on my website. Then after it's finished calling, you will see the results. I'm going to show you the result, and I'm going to show you the next thing to do. So what you need to do now, you see view sitemap details. So this is, if you see down of all your sitemap. So they said what next? The next thing you need to do is to download the XML sitemap file, upload it into the root folder of your website, then open Google Search Console and add your sitemap. So you previously, this is what you need to do, but with the help of the updates on Google Search Console, that is why the first step is just what you need to do. Once you do that first step and it is successful, you don't need to go through all this first. But if you are not getting success with that first step that you see, I would advise you to do this. So these are all the pages on my website that Google has been able to crawl. These are all the product pages that Google has been able to crawl. So I can click on view full sitemap. If you click on view full sitemap, see, this is the home page, this is the shop page, these are all the pages and product pages that Google have been able to crawl on my website. You can see this new live product for erectile dysfunction. So Google is telling me that new live product for high blood pressure, new live product for hormonal imbalances, new live product for ulcer, aloe vera plus orange. Google is telling me that these are all the pages, which include pages, product pages on my website that they've been able to crawl. So once they've been able to crawl this, I can now submit. Once I submit my sitemap, Google will now then index it. So what you need to do, once you download your XML sitemap, what you need to do is to go to, I will show you the root folder. They said you should go to upload it into the domain root folder of your website. So they said on my website there's no broken links, page index 46, crawled 50. That is to say, so now I'll be able to see the analysis that I have 50 pages, including product pages on my website, but Google was able to index or crawl. Was able to index on the database 46 pages. So I need to look at all the remaining 4 pages on my website. So my Google Search Console dashboard will show me that to know the reason why Google did not index on the database, the remaining 4 pages on my website. That is very, very important. That is the reason why we are having this report. If you scroll down, you look at it, download, you can download it. You can receive the latest sitemap via email address. So I can even show you the HTML sitemap aside. This is the HTML sitemap showing you the breakdown. You can see the 46 pages that I talked about, showing the breakdown of all the pages that have been called on my website. So that's just it. So let me show you how you can, once you download it, you can download it as a zip file, even if you are uploading it. If you are uploading it on the root file of the web, is to go to the cPanel for you to upload it to the root file of your website. You need to go to the cPanel of your website. So I just need to show you. So for me to log into the cPanel of my website, let me go to now. You need to get the details of your cPanel from the email address your web hosting company sent to you. That's where you will get it from. You need to log in. I need to log into my Gmail. Let me log into my Gmail. Let me log into my Gmail. So I just need to look for, because I have a lot of emails, so I just need to search for the web hosting company, to search for one of their mail, because I have a lot of websites with them. So let me go to this one cPanel from one of my websites to show you. After you have downloaded this sitemap, you downloaded the file, you need to download it as a zip file. Once you download it as a zip file, then you upload it. So this is the login. So basically it's like this. You go to your website, then click on /cPanel. You go to the URL of your website, you then click on /cPanel. What you do. What you do. So what I need to do, let me log in. This is one of my other websites. Let me just log into this cPanel here. you log into the cPanel of your website, that is the details web hosting company gave to you for you to log into the back end of your website. So basically, this is the back end of my website. So I will go to once you come to the back end of your website, what you need to do is to come to File Manager. Come to File Manager. You go to File Manager. Go to File Manager. Then you click on Public HTML. Once you click on Public HTML, you go to Upload. You've already downloaded your sitemap. I don't want to do it because I already have sitemap on my website already, but I'm showing you the steps that you need to take. The first thing is you download the sitemap. Once you download the sitemap, log into the back end of your website. This is the back end of your website. And I said for you to log into the back end of your website, you need to do that through the details that was sent to your mail by your hosting company. And this is the back end of your website. Once you get to the back end of your website, go to File Manager. This is File Manager here. Once you get to File Manager, you go to Public HTML. Public HTML. This is Public HTML. When I click on this, let me cancel it and show you again. I really want to make this easy for everyone that will watch this video. You click on File Manager. Once you click on File Manager, you click on Public HTML. This is Public HTML. Once you click on Public HTML, then you click on Upload. It will take you to this place. Then you upload your sitemap. You upload the sitemap that you have downloaded, that you generated and downloaded. You upload it. Once it is root folder, which they are saying here, upload it in the domain root folder of the website. It is once you have 100% here and it is green, it is in the root folder of the website. So the next thing, so let me show you. Then you can now come back. You can now come back to your Search Console. Let me go back to Search Console to add that sitemap. To add it, I showed you in the first steps of the video. Then you now add your sitemap. With this, if you do this, you will not get any error as far as the root folder of your website. Then you will not have error. Then you do what I showed you. And what I showed you that is most important to you is the product sitemap. You submit your product sitemap. .xml. Then you click on submit. You will definitely get success. Once it is submitted. So I've come to the end of today's video. Thank you for learning with me today, and I really appreciate people that will be watching, that are watching my video, and people that will subscribe to my channel. A new video soon. I want you to stay tuned to this channel. Click on the bell button so that you can get notification anytime I release any video on my channel. Like I said, I'll be dropping video. This channel is all about digital marketing. This channel is all about digital analytics. This channel is all about search engine optimization. You are going to be gaining a lot of value when you subscribe to this channel. If you are yet to subscribe, please click the subscription button, and I will see you soon. Thank you.